Starting around the 7th of May 2023, STEPN generally is exchanging at 29 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.05% in most recent 60-minute or so. The in a real sense thought. GMT essentially has a kind of complete market cap of $219,157,445 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $26,948,091, which explicitly is very huge. This explicitly makes STEPN truly positioning at 142 in the cryptographic money market, or so they fundamentally thought. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN certainly be most certainly worth in 2023 incredibly? Is STEPN a sort of wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will GMT cost especially outperform its record-breaking fundamentally high and in every practical sense, enormous way? These basically are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future, or so they generally thought. STEPN value expectation 2023, which explicitly is very critical. As per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the GMT cost by and large is supposed to essentially cross a truly normal value level of 39 cents. The normal least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the very current year ought to be 37 cents in a kind of significant manner. Besides, GMT can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 44 cents, which really is genuinely huge. STEPN value expectation May 2023. STEPN cost truly is supposed to generally reach between 29 cents to 34 cents in May 2023, while the kind of typical cost of GMT for the May stays around 33 cents. STEPN value forecast June 2023. The cost of STEPN for the most part is somewhat anticipated to truly reach at an exceptionally least worth of 32 cents in June 2023 in an unpretentious way. The GMT cost could sort of arrive at a sort of greatest worth of 35 cents with the extremely normal exchanging worth of 33 cents all through 2023 in a very significant manner. GMT value figure July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of STEPN for the most part is determined to generally be at around a truly least worth of 33 cents, exhibiting how in the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN by and large be really worth in 2023, which sort of is very critical. The STEPN value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of limit of 36 cents with the extremely normal exchanging worth of 34 cents in USD. STEPN value expectation August 2023. STEPN cost is supposed to fundamentally reach between 34 cents to 38 cents in August 2023, while the really normal cost of GMT for the August certainly remains around 35 cents. STEPN value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, STEPN cost for the most part is gauged to arrive at a practically the least cost of 35 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 39 cents with the in every practical sense, normal expected cost around 36 cents, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN value gauge October 2023. The STEPN cost for October 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of 36 cents, while the fundamentally greatest determined cost generally is around 41 cents, which really is genuinely huge. The kind of typical cost for GMT basically is for the most part anticipated to sort of reach 37 cents in October 2023 in a significant way. STEPN value estimate November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of STEPN in a real sense is basically anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a really normal cost of 38 cents, while the coin could exchange between and in every way that really matters, limit of 42 cents and an extremely least of 36 cents. STEPN value expectation December 2023. STEPN cost is supposed to reach between 37 cents to 44 cents in December 2023, while the typical cost of GMT for the December truly remains around 39 cents. STEPN by and large past value examination. In the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been explicitly diminished by 3.92% in its in every practical sense current worth, in every practical sense. Further appearance house and EPN value figure October 2023. The STEPN cost for October 2023 may in a real sense arrive at an especially least worth of 36 cents, while the most extreme gauge cost explicitly is around 41 cents, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming that we certainly look at the by and large current market cap of the GMT with yesterday, you can essentially see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. STEPN basically is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The GMT in a real sense is down to nearly 12.19% in the absolute most recent 7 days, or so they by and large thought. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for exceptionally past kind of couple of days. The coin could really have major areas of strength for especially in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment. So assuming that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN in a real sense be by and large worth in 2023 and in every way that really matters? Enormous way. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT in a real sense diminished by 23.445%, killing an astounding truly normal amount of 9 cents from its truly current worth, or so they by and large thought. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a fundamentally decent most certainly purchase a valuable open door for by and large speedy speculation, or so they basically thought. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 40.30% and the cost in every way that really matters, circled from a kind of least typical cost of 48 cents to especially greatest truly normal cost of 53 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. And genuinely most recent 4 months STEPN sort of has shown a developing pattern, or so they generally thought. In this way, we believe that comparative pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period, which really is genuinely huge, as indicated by the especially the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of STEPN really is expanded from 4 months, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, which truly shows that assuming you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN generally be somewhat worth in 2023, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin by and large is up by 1.25% with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin generally was around 32 cents in every practical sense. Least truly normal cost of for the most part was around 30 cents in by and large beyond 4 months in an extremely enormous manner. STEPN Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will truly be STEPN fundamentally worth in 2023? The GMT cost certainly is estimated to by and large arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 44 cents with genuinely least cost of 37 cents toward the finish of 2023. So hence, we especially imagine that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period in a genuinely huge manner. Does STEPN truly have a future in a genuinely significant manner? As far as value, STEPN for the most part has a remarkable pretty potential to arrive at new levels in an especially huge manner. It in every practical sense is figure that GMT will increment in esteem, demonstrating